surprises. With the holidays behind us, you may just have some leftover ham. So in today's video, we are going to make some ham and potato casserole. Other people know it as funeral potatoes. Either way, it is delicious, easy to make. It is one of those dishes that if you are headed to a party, you can just whip up real fast and bring it over. So let's go spice things up. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get a casserole dish, and I'm going to spray it with some cooking spray. Next, I'm just adding a package of frozen hash browns. And then I'm just gonna set it aside. Okay, so to a bowl, we are gonna add 1 can of cream of chicken soup. And this is the bigger can, it is a 26-ounce can. So just add it to the bowl. And 1 container of sour cream, this is 16 ounces. And then I'm gonna add about 2 cups of my leftover ham. Give it a good stir. Make sure all the ingredients is incorporated together, just like this. Okay, so now you wanna take your mixture and just pour it over your hash browns. All right, kind of just spread it over a little bit. Now you want to put your casserole in the oven at 375 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay, so it has been 30 minutes. So time to finish this casserole up. Okay, so now that the casserole has been cooking for 30 minutes, we will want to stir all the ingredients together. And once you stir all of the ingredients together, you'll want to go ahead and add some cheese just to the top. This is probably about 2 cups of cheese. And then you want to put your casserole back in the oven for another 15 minutes. So we'll come back in 15 minutes. All right, guys, it has been 15 minutes. Time to check it. So if you can kind of see, it is bubbling up on the sides and the cheese is melted. So that is a good indicator it is done and time to eat. All right, guys, I'm really excited to try this for you. So without further ado, let's just give it a try. Eat a little bit of ham, a little bit of cheese, some potatoes. It is rich, creamy, delicious. This is one of my family's favorite meals to eat. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It is delicious, and everybody you make it for will love it too. Well, thank you guys so much. And if you have any questions, comment below. Bye, and see you in the next video.